If you run a manufacturing business, this news should worry you. A major US plastics manufacturer, ProPlastics, was just hit by Qilin ransomware gang, and their stolen data is now being used as leverage against them. So here is what it means in plain English. Criminals broke into their systems, stole sensitive company information, and are now threatening to leak it unless they get paid. In many cases, that data includes contracts, designs, financials, human resource records, and emails, the operational guts of the business. So, why should you care? Because ProPlastics is not a hospital or a bank, it is just a manufacturer just like you. Groups like Qilin are actively targeting industrial and mid market companies, knowing that even a few days of downtime and an embarrassing leak can be enough to force you for a payout. If your remote access, email, and supplier portals are in lockdown with strong authentication and proper monitoring, you are perfectly leaving the side door wide open for these attackers. My recommendation, have an independent cyber team review how an attacker would move through your environment before a ransomware gang like Qilin does that for you. I'm Dilip Pillai from Veltec Networks, and my company works with manufacturers every day on these very exact issues. Call us to learn about how to protect your IT assets before you end up in the headlines for the wrong reason.